Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial, I'll be creating this look that is really easy and beautiful. Before we get started, kindly click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. It is free, and also the notification bell. If you have done that, let's get started. I'll list out all the products I use on the description box below. So I've gone ahead to brush my brows with a spoolie. I don't know why I'm smiling though, but I started by outlining underneath my brows. Then the top. Then create my arch. And then I'll go ahead and fill it. And I'm using my spoolie to brush it through, making it as natural as possible. Now I'm using LA Pro Concealer in Pure Beige and a flat brush to highlight my brows. I'll be using a darker concealer on the top of my brow. You can also use a foundation. I'm using the blending brush to blend all the concealer. I'll be blending the concealer on my eyelid as a base for my eyeshadow. With a flat brush, I'll be using this dark brown shade from Flawlessivy eyeshadow palette. I'll start by tapping the brown shade on my outer V, bringing it close to the middle of my eyelid. Then I'll be using this fluffy blending brush to gently blend the harsh lines using circular motion with little force. Then I'll go ahead and blend it also on the top of my crease, that is above the inner eye corner. Using the flat brush and the concealer, I'll go ahead and place the concealer on the remaining half of my eyelid. Using a flat brush and this same palette, I'll fill this color by gently tapping it on the highlighted area. Using this precise blending brush, I'll go ahead and blend in all the harsh lines. Now I'm using LA gel liner in Very Black to line up my eyes. I've gone ahead to fix my false lashes of the camera. Now I'm using the face wipe to clean up my face. If you have a dry skin, ensure you prep your skin first and use moisturizer. For my oily skin, I'll first use sponge on my face, especially on my T-zones that I sweat a lot. Then I'll go ahead and prime my face with the Flawlessivy face primer. For my foundation, I'll be using LA Matte Foundation in caramel with just 2 pumps. I'll first use the foundation brush to blend it on my face. Before using the damp beauty blender. Now, if you're blending your foundation by dragging the beauty blender, it will just be moving product around instead of properly laying it. But if you're tapping it on your face, it will create this, uniform, seamless coverage. To highlight my face, I'll be using the same concealer underneath my eye, the center of my forehead, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. Using the same beauty blender, I will go ahead and blend all the highlighted areas by gently tapping it and blending all the harsh lines. To set my face, I'll be using this LIPPY setting powder in yellow banana. I'll go ahead and use my beauty blender to gently tap it on all the highlighted areas. To contour my face, I'll be using LIPPY powder in TOFFEE and a big fluffy blending brush. I'll go ahead and blend it below my cheekbone, then I'll blend it too on my forehead. To contour my nose, I'll be using the same powder with a small blending brush to darken the sides of my nose and underneath my eyebrow. Then I'll highlight the sides of my nose. Using LIPPY powder in True Bronze and a powder brush, I'll go ahead and blend all the harsh lines. To set my face, I'll be using the LIPPY setting spray. Using a small blending brush and a glow kit from FLAWLESSIVY, I'll go ahead and highlight my cheekbone, using the remaining on my brush on my forehead and my chin. I'll also highlight the bridge of my nose, then I'll take a blending brush to blend the harsh lines. Using a flat brush, I'll go ahead and use the same brown color I used for my eyeshadow on my waterline. Then I'll use a Maybelling mascara on my lower lashes. For my lips, I'll be using the shade Don't Tell from ZIKEL. Then I'll go ahead and use a nude shade from Maybelling just on the middle of my lower lip. So that is it, guys. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.